In this video, I will show you how to massively compress any given video easily on your computer. This is the sample video that I want to compress. Let's check the quality of this video. This is a short clip video in full HD resolution that I want to compress. Now let's check the size of this video. The video has a size of 40.7 megabytes. To compress this video, we need a software. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Now search Handbrake. Now click the first link. And click this red button, Download Handbrake. Software downloading has been started. Now the downloading has finished. Click this downloaded file. Since I already have Handbrake installed, I will skip this step. Once you have installed Handbrake, you will get a shortcut icon on the desktop. Click it, and it will open up a window. Now I will drag and drop this video file. Under the summary section, you can select various output formats for your video. I will stick to MP4 and click Web Optimized. In the Dimensions section, you get multiple options to play with video resolution and scaling. I won't change anything here and straight away go to the Filter section. Under the Filter section, I won't change any of these settings and leave them to their default values. The main part is the Video section. This is the important section in which we will compress our video. Under Video Encoder, you will see multiple encoder options. I will stick to the default H.264 settings. Under frame rate, I recommend changing it to same as source. Now change the option from variable to constant frame rate. In the encoder options, change the encoder preset from fast to faster. And now, under the quality option, you will already have a constant quality set to 22. Change this value by dragging the slider to 24. Finally, before exporting this video, I will select the destination folder where I want to save my compressed video. I will save it on my desktop as a compressed video. And now click Save. And now click Start Encode. Now at the bottom, you can see that the video compression process has been started. And now we have successfully managed to compress the original video. Let's check the size of this video. The original video is successfully compressed down to 5.86 megabytes, which is insane. And now let's check the quality of this video. The quality of this video is same as the original video. So if you enjoyed this video and want more such videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.